Welcome back to my channel. Tired of chemical hair dyes that damage your scalp and make your hair weak? This natural brown hair color not only gives your hair a rich, shiny shade, but also stimulates growth, strengthens roots, and deeply nourishes your scalp. Let's make this powerful 2-in-1 herbal hair treatment right at home. Natural brown hair color mix. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon black tea, 1 tablespoon coffee, 1 teaspoon beetroot powder, 1 tablespoon dry amla, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 4 tablespoons henna powder. Prepare the herbal water. In a pan, add water. Now add black tea, coffee, beetroot powder, dry amla, cloves, and cinnamon stick. Boil this mixture on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes until the water becomes rich and dark. Science fact: black tea and coffee are rich in tannins and caffeine, which naturally darken the hair pigment and improve blood circulation to the scalp, helping in hair growth. Strain and mix. Once boiled, strain the water and let it cool slightly. Now, in a clean bowl, add henna powder and slowly pour the herbal water while stirring. Mix until you get a smooth, thick paste. Cover the bowl and let it rest overnight. This helps henna release its natural dye completely for deeper color and better results. Application. The next morning, apply this henna mix evenly from roots to ends using a brush. Leave it on for 2 to 3 hours. Rinse off with plain water, no shampoo for 24 hours. You'll notice soft, shiny, naturally brown hair with every use, and visible reduction in hair fall within weeks. Black tea deepens natural color, adds shine, and strengthens hair roots. Coffee stimulates hair follicles and improves scalp blood flow. Beetroot powder adds a reddish-brown tint and promotes new hair growth. Dry amla, rich in vitamin C, prevents premature graying and thickens hair. Cloves improve scalp circulation and reduce dandruff. Cinnamon stick stimulates hair follicles and boosts hair density. Henna, natural conditioner that coats hair with shine, volume, and color. Hair growth and scalp stimulation gel. After coloring, keep your scalp nourished with this stimulating growth gel for long-lasting results. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 teaspoon black seed oil, 1 teaspoon rosemary oil, few drops of vitamin E oil. Method: in a bowl, mix all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Store in a clean jar. Massage a small amount into your scalp every night before bed or 30 minutes before washing your hair. Science fact: castor and rosemary oils increase blood circulation in the scalp, activating dormant follicles and promoting new growth, while aloe vera soothes and hydrates the scalp for healthier roots. Results: regular use gives you naturally colored, thicker, and stronger hair, without any chemicals or side effects. It's your ultimate nature-powered solution for hair coloring, repair, and growth. Try this natural brown hair color and scalp stimulation gel once, and you'll never go back to chemical dyes again. Your hair deserves pure nature's care. Thank you for watching.